Okay, here we go. Let's go see our first snow. What do you think? Go on, Lance. Take him down. Clark, you don't know what you're in for. Let's go see. Look. Look. Wow. Pretty cool. Good job, Clarky. Oh, Jet. Hi. Do you guys have snow in your noses? Trying to get it. Hi, puppy. Everybody has snow in their noses? Hi. That's really cute. Good job, guys. Oh. Where are they going? Where are they going? There they go. How cool is that? Rose? Roses, come here. Hi, Grammy. Hi, Rose. Lance is here, but he went up on the deck to eat the cat food. Hey, Lance, you gonna come play with us? Turtle boo-boos. Okay, it's only about 31 degrees, and I'm out in jammy pants and a jean jacket. It feels actually quite nice. What's on that bench, guys? What's on that bench? You like eating that snow? Do you like eating the snow off the bench? Good kids. Okay, we'll stay out for a few more minutes. You like it too, huh, Clark? Okay, kiddos. Lance! Well, I think he's too busy eating the cat food. I better go check on him. Okay.